Sean here from Rapido Trains Inc. I'm outside the LRC factory in southern China. I'd like to say the whole thing here is our factory, but it's a tiny slice of the 9th floor. In this video, I'm going to give you updates on our LRC factory, our Rapido factory. I'm going to tell you a bit about the history of the model train industry here in China over the last 30 or 40 years, and some of the challenges that we're facing, and how Rapido is dealing with those challenges, which actually could involve moving halfway across the country. So come along and you'll enjoy this look behind the scenes of the model train industry. I have to say the atmosphere is really awesome at the LRC factory. It's very collaborative. All the people who have more experience are engineers who worked for 20+ years in model trains. They're sharing the experience with the younger workers and really creating a new generation of model train experts here at our factory. She's 21. In case you think she's 12, she's 21. I'm outside the Rapido factory. I'm in a place called Chang'an, which is a neighborhood of Dongguan. In Dongguan, almost all the model train factories of the world are located. There's a massive one about 2 blocks that way. There's in 2 other neighborhoods in Dongtang and Xinjie. There's basically most of the model train factories in the world are here in Dongguan. There are problems though. You can't get labor here. There's a labor shortage, so it's hard to get the workers to come work in your factory. And then the costs in this region are very, very high. Today's model train industry, with its super detailed, ready-to-run models, was built in southern China. Over 40 years ago, Sandakan emerged as the world leader in model train design and manufacture. This was joined later on by Cater, another huge Chinese manufacturer that expanded its model train business after buying Bachmann trains in the 1980s. All of the current factory managers and senior designers got their start at either Sandakan or Cater, both of which have their factories in Dongguan, an industrial city near Hong Kong in southern China. The labor shortage around the Rapido factory means that salaries are much higher than in the surrounding regions. Making model trains is very labor intensive, and if we can't bring our costs down, the Rapido factory won't be sustainable in the long term. With that in mind, Huang, Zhou and I headed to the nearest train station, our destination, Zhou's hometown. We're going to see if we can become the first model train factory in Guangxi province, 500 miles from Dongguan.
Railway station.
This is the new factory space. It's huge and relatively new compared to what we're used to in Guangdong province. This is amazing. A little dusty, isn't it? This place used to be some kind of food factory. What do they make here?
Food.
Food. Thanks.
จะไม่รู้
All aboard?
no
No, definitely not. What room is this going to be, guys? Temple? Temple room. So we're going to have the pad printing machine set up over here?
yes
That's huge. Oh! So we think we may have found a new home for Rapido's factory here in Guangxi province. It's a great space, it's very flexible. We need to put some work into it to clean it up, upgrade the elevator, that sort of thing. Perhaps the best thing of all though is this area. It's very clean, it's very rural, and check out what's just down the road. This here is the Li River, and it's one of the most beautiful places in all of China, I think in all the world. It's very, very peaceful here. I love it so much that I have a painting of the Li River in my dining room at home, and I have a photo of it in the bathroom. And the great thing is, if we move to this new factory in Guangxi province, this is just 20 minutes down the road. 非常漂亮的。